for our hike of the week. We're at Vogel State Park, Georgia. We're going to hike the trails here, the Lake Loop Trail, beautiful lake here and waterfall. And we're going to go up and walk the Bear Hair Trail and Byron Herbert Reece Nature Trail. 3 trails in all, probably around 7 miles total. Another great day for a hike. 59 degrees this morning. Wonderful, refreshing air after a warm, hot summer. Do the Lake Trail first. I would tell you the name, but I can't pronounce it. What a refreshing walk along this lake trail. Amazing that we're in the 50s this morning. Great waterfall. Beautiful. We're on the Bear Hair Trail now. We're going to do a nice loop here and come back and do the nature trail at Byron Herbert Reece Trail. Continuing along the Bear Hair Trail. Information board. On this down loop on the Bear Hair Trail, passing a real rock boulder cliff area. Beauty. Pretty area right here. Creek running through all the rocks.